Hello friends, welcome to the next video tutorial on Flutter development series for beginners. In the last video, we have seen what is Dart, and now in this video, we will see variables in Dart. So let's get started. Variable is a container that is used to store data in memory. Let's understand with the help of example. Int x equal to 100. So this x is a name of name of variable name of variable 100. This 100, it's a value of variable, and this int, it's a type of variable. Data types in Dart we use many data types such as numbers, string, bool, list, set, and map. Now let's do coding to understand all those. So I'll open my IDE, and here I'll create one separate class, new dart file variable, and here let me quickly write code for main method, void main. Okay, now our main method is ready. Data types. First let's see numbers, integer. To store integer value, I'll use integer class int x equal x equal to 100. To store integer value, I'll use int data type, and then name of the variable x equal 100. Now let's print this variable x. Print, so I'll use print method, print x, and then let's run it. Now we can see 100. This is the one of the way to declare variable. Another way is we can use var keyword, and then name of the variable x1. This time I'll use x1 equal 1000. Let's also print x1 variable. Again I'll use print method, and then I'll pass x1. Run it again. Now we can see output 1000. To store float values, I'll use double data type 200.005, and then print d. Run it again. Now we can see output 200.005. Let's also use var keyword, and then d1 equal 10.5. Now printing d1, so I'll use print method d1, and now running it, we can see output 10.5. Next data type is string. String s equals to, I'll pass a string value hello friends. Please like, share, and subscribe. And now I'm printing s and running it again. Here we can see output hello friends. Please like, share, and subscribe. Another data type is boolean. Bool, for that, to store boolean value, I'll use bool data type, and then name of variable b equal true. Let's quickly print b also. Print b, and now running again. Here we can see output true. That's it for this video. In upcoming videos, we will continue data types. Thank you for watching.